buffalo chicken guacamole dip. So simple. You're just going to get some rotisserie chicken, and I like to pull the breast off whole. And then what I do is I like to chop them down to nice chunks. So in the bowl here, I just added in some red onion and some garlic. I'm going to hit it with just a little pinch of salt, not a lot, to season up the red onion. And then some lime juice, a little bit of that. Give that a nice toss. And then I'm going to add in some of my hot sauce. So this is buffalo sauce that I just made, really simple. It's hot sauce and butter, and then some herbs. I like to put in some oregano. It's been cooling a bit. And, you can also just buy some buffalo sauce and make this easy for you and get this right into my bowl with the chicken. Move that around. All right, so I'm going to put this back here and then just give this a toss. I'm going to add some black pepper. I like to season every layer. Give this a nice toss. Okay, see, that's easy. I'm going to get this into my dish. Let me tell you something. You put out a dip at any party, it's where everyone's hanging out. You know what I mean?
It's where everybody gravitates. Absolutely. Absolutely. A dippable dinner is the way to go, man.
So now for the next layer is the guacamole. Really easy to do. I like to make this a buffalo chicken guacamole because I like blue cheese and ranch. So I'm just going to add in some ranch dressing. It's like, what? Trust me, it works.
Oh, cool.
And then just kind of come in here and mix it up. This tool, Rachel, is everything.
And then, Sunny, do you put the blue right in with that?
No, so the blue is going to go over the top. So this is just guacamole that I'm making with your masher here, some ranch dressing. You could add in some more of that red onion that I like. Get in here with some of this lime juice. And then I do something that some people are like, what? I love adding tomatoes into my guac. So after that's kind of mixed together, you just stir it up and layer it up. So a nice quick toss. And then it's a quick cover with some blue cheese. And then I like texture. And that's our blue cheese going there.
Oh, wow.
All over. Yeah, just pour it over the top. And I get those fried onions.
Oh, nice.
Right over the top.
I love those.
Beautiful.
Right from the grocery store. You don't have to make them.
Yeah, you don't have to make them. All right, so I've got one back here. Take a look. Boom. Serve with some nice warm chips, and you're good to go. All right.
Wow.
Pretty simple.